Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. And as you can tell, I'm not feeling that good because my throat is not, that good. I have a throat infection and for a week or so I was on the bed rest and on my medication, so was not doing pretty much anything. So this recipe what I'm sharing you after having this pani puri, I had my throat infection because I had added a lot of citric acid in my pani, and I was just keep drinking that water because it was so good at that time, but I didn't realize it is gonna cause me that much trouble, and it damaged my throat so much, and for that purpose I was on bed for a week and on medication. But I really want to share this recipe with you, that how I made my pani puri or dahi puri. It was really tasty and I really want you all to see this video and try this out too. But little suggestion over there, just add a very little citric acid, do not add a lot. It's my suggestion, but if you want, go ahead and do it, otherwise you'll be sick like me. So just try this recipe and watch that how I made it. I first made the imli ki chutney, sorry, and then I made this meetha dahi with added a lot of sugar, and I just kept both thing in the fridge, and now just see how I'm making the chana. Okay, so let's prepare for the chana masala for dahi puri and pani puri. So I've added a little bit of oil and added zira and curry patta, and then added onions and green chili. It's not a green chili, it's jalapeno actually. So I've just added this and just mix it well for like 1 minute. It should be fine, do not overcook. And then add salt, red crushed pepper and chili powder, just for taste. Do not add a lot of it. And then add boiled chana, which I've already drained and kept it aside. So this is the already boiled chana. And then add imli ka pani. The chutney I've made it, as you saw earlier, I made the imli ki chutney, so that chutney I've added in chana masala, because do not add just water in it. So if you add imli ki chutney or imli ka pani, that will taste more good. And over here I'm preparing for Paani. That's the main ingredient of the pani puri. I've just took a cold water bottle and then the pani puri masala and a citric acid and a little bit of salt, not a lot but just a pinch of salt, and then mix it very well. If you want a spicy taste in it, you can go ahead and add a red chili powder, but I don't like that chili powder, but you can if you want. And then over here now I'm assembling the dahi puri and pani puri. So as you see, in dahi puri I'm adding more of the dahi in it because it's dahi puri. So add more dahi puri. Oh my god, I'm feeling so tired by just talking. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing. I don't have to talk that much, but this turned out so good, guys. It was really good. You can tell my voice, I ate it so much that it damaged my throat so much. But do not add a lot of sourness, like do not add a lot of citric acid like me, otherwise you'll be sick and then you can't even drink water. So oh my god, I just want this again. So yes, it was really good, and I was just want to share this recipe with you, and I just want to be back on my channel. It's been a month I'm not making or uploading anything, so it's just a video to say that I'm feeling a little better and I'm gonna upload more videos and more cooking things. So keep watching, stay connected, and thank you so very much for watching my channel.